First thing is first, you need to go to Weebly, weebly.com, and create an account if you don't already have one. If you have one, you'll be able to skip ahead a few steps because you'll be familiar enough with the process. So first thing you need to do is to sign in, create an account, first and last name, preferably your school email address, and then create a password. And then, of course, it does these stupid little make sure that you are a human being kind of crap. All right. So when you get this, it's going to ask if you want to sell online. We're not selling online. And then you're going to choose a theme. You need to go to the blog category, and then you have a ton of different things that you can choose from. If you click the view more themes, it will pull up additional ones that you might be interested in. So you need to find something that jumps out to you. You're not going to be using a lot of the pages that it shows you, so it is going to be a little bit more straightforward than that. So I might go with something as simple as this one. You will get a preview of what it will look like. If this is what you want, hit start editing. If this is what you don't want, hit close, go back, and then choose something different. I decided to go with this Upstart one. When you use this, you need to use a subdomain of Weebly.com. You're going to type in RITS, that's Raisin in the Sun. Do your first name and then your last name. If it's unavailable, please go ahead and do like a number immediately after it. Now, we are not going to need everything that's on here. So we're going to go to Pages. We're going to delete pretty much the majority of them. I'm going to keep the blog one, so I'm actually going to get rid of the home one. So all I want is the blog. And then you'll go back to your build. So you should have somewhere on here a spot where it talks about like the author or whatever. So this blog is created by Mrs. Green. This is a way for me to show you what you need to do. And then you might put like just your first and last name, the block that you're in, just some small pertinent information, okay? To create new posts, obviously you clicked new post. Most of them will have like post number 1, and then it will have some sort of title like intro. And then it says drag elements here. So you can do like titles, you can add in texts. You could even take these things and rotate them and move them on the sides. So this way I have title over here. I can split it to columns. You can add in imagery. You can read more if you feel like you have a really, really long text, so you can kind of break it up. Okay. Sometimes these things will take a little bit longer to do than others. You can even do things such as YouTube videos or files to download. Anything of that nature works. And then you just post it. Okay. After you do post, you do need to make sure that you publish. Make sure it says RITS, then your first name, last name, and then hit continue. Publishing it, make sure that it just saves all of your files. Okay. So that's what you need to start with.